I'm Brandon. I'm here out with a customer who wanted to look at a door, replace the whole front door and potentially the side lights and also some windows. This was a custom door. It had two different heights between the transoms. The transom is a huge window. There's two side lights. Fortunately, we were able to just do the side light and the door. The door actually might be able to be done by itself the way it's done. So it's a very custom opportunity for us to make it look wonderful for the customer. So they were looking at windows, but they weren't quite sure exactly where they wanted to go. So I was able to give them some material and help them decide a direction, and then they're going to call back later at a later time to discuss those windows. It was great. Very personable guy. A lot of good questions. And he was able to give us the examples that he needed, what he wanted, and it was just a great time.
Cool. Anything else you want to add?
Joyland rocks.